What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I have some really good in-store clearance items from Lowe's. But before we get into those, I just wanted to say thank you all for purchasing items from the shop. I wanted to say that the glitch for the shipping charge on the hats have been fixed. So there will no longer be that $3.99 charge that pops up. If you did get the $3.99 charge, just reach out and I will refund it. But I've already gone through and seen them all and refunded them anyway. So moving on. First of all, Lowe's does have a daily deal on its Cobalt set, 268 piece. As you can see here, it's just a few sockets back there, and it's mostly these little bits. I wouldn't buy this. I wouldn't at all. So bye. All right, so they do have going back to Works. We have a pretty good Works deal right here on this two-piece trimmer and blower with 2 batteries and a charger. This is the slowest charger of life. Those batteries, I don't know what size they are. I hope at least 2 amp hour, but geez, honestly, 2 amp hour batteries. Yes, two amp hour batteries. These ain't gonna charge fast at all. And did you see that charger? 5-hour charger. It's gonna really take 5 hours to charge a 2 amp hour battery. With this thing, it might. But for the money, $99, this is not bad. I would try this if you were trying to just get a nice little set for the spring and summer and fall and all that. I would try and check this out. And again, keep in mind that Lowe's has a 9-day return policy, so you can try it out. If you don't like it, always return it. Now, moving on to the super good stuff. But before we do, while I'm pulling that up, I just want to say if you get any value from my videos, I ask that you like, comment, and subscribe, please. I've been at 17,000 subs for a long time. And that way, if you subscribe, you won't miss any deals. So here we have over at Lowe's in the clearance section, there's a whole lot of stuff. We have this Cobalt hammer and pry bar set, $13.47. You can see the hammer right here. There's a pry bar behind it. They're kind of attached together with this little zip tie, but $13.47. I know it does say it was $14.98, but that's still not bad for that little set. And they have a ton of hammers in there on clearance. Moving on, we also have these headlamps. Now these headlamps are like actually really good because they're bright as I don't know what. Also, they'll do, as you see on the box, they're multicolored. So they do produce white, green, and red light. And 28-hour runtime in flood mode. I don't know about that, but they do come with batteries. For the pack of 6, it's $18.27. So we have that there. Moving on, we have these squares, these Swanson squares, for $4.42. We also have, they have a whole lot of grease guns, y'all. And a lot of these things, it's showing that these are their prices, but some of the stuff I got, when I got to the register, they were cheaper. So these are worst case scenario prices, all right? So we have this pistol grease gun. This was $12.77, so it says. We have, I want to say that this one right here, it's another one, but it's a speed one. So instead of it doing 6,000 PSI, 7,000 PSI, this one is saying it's 1977. There was another one that was also $24, but it rang up $17 for me. So again, just try your hand. We have this Cobalt chainsaw. This is corded though. That's not a whole lot off, 116. We have this blower. It's a kit too, and it's a 40 volt. So you have a 40 volt blower for 111, marked down from 159. Then we have another string trimmer and blower. Now I will say that I like this one kind of a little bit more than the Works. Unless that Works had an extender in that shaft there, this is going to be longer, so it's going to be a little more ergonomic for taller people. Then this blower is also 40 volts, so I'm going to assume that the CFM is higher. This one was 350, but what was the other one? 270 CFM, so cubic feet per minute. That's just how much stuff it can push at one time. So the Cobalt's a little bit better there, but that's still not bad for a 20 volt tool. Moving on, we have all types of Fram filters over there. $3 for this, $15 for this big one. I didn't look for anything I needed because I already changed my oil, but there you go there. Then we have this screwdriver set, 1747, marked down for $24-25. I like this one because it comes with a little case for the bits. I prefer the bits to be in the handle, and I think this does have that capability. I can't believe I didn't get that in there, but yeah, it does have a little case for the bits. Still got to keep up with that. Let's go the other way. We have some Fisker hammers, $23, marked down from $32.98. I can't believe I didn't get any get a shot of those, but you can also just take and look up the item number. Take the item number and look it up on the website. And don't forget, okay, so I want to show you guys. Yesterday or 2 days ago, we were talking about the Weehaw screwdriver set, right? Now, here's the thing. Here's how you can get this and pick up in store for the discounted price. If you go on your app, you pull up and see which store has this in stock, it will show up and make it available for you to buy. And then you could take advantage of your Rakuten. Okay, so what you do is pull up Rakuten, you sign up for Rakuten. If you don't know what it is, free cashback extension. Use the link in the description below and you get a bonus $30 in addition to the 2% when you spend $30. So anyway, you just go through Rakuten and then you go through Lowe's through Rakuten and pull it up, put it in the store that you want to pick it up in, and then it'll allow you to buy it. So as you can see, this Fisker hammer is $32.98, but if you pull this up through your app and actually put in the store that you're shopping, it will still pull up and make it available for you to buy online and then pick up in store. So that's how you want to do that. Moving on. We had the Skill 40-volt blower kit, $79.77. We have some more hammers for $11.17, marked down for $24.98. We had another, I showed this one, another grease gun, 1977, marked down from $32.98. We had a bunch of wire nuts. It's a 150 count bag for $2.67. And then we had some indoor security cameras, $27.97, marked down for $69. These are cool because they connect to Wi-Fi. They're almost like the rings and stuff. You just plug them into the wall, boom, $27.97 there. And that is it. All this is at Lowe's, and that was just that one Lowe's that I checked out. So look up these item numbers, use BrickSeek, see it there in a store near you, or just go out to your local store this weekend and check out the clearance section. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.